All right, we're starting off with 4 cups of sugar in our hot pot. Come in with 1 cup of cornstarch. We might need to grab a spatula for this to get all of that out. Do this super quick so we can start mixing it. I make corn syrup, and then I'm gonna add a cup and a half of water. Last but not least, we're gonna add some red food dye. Ooh, see that sugar already dissolving?
Oh, that's so cool.
All right, and then it is time to start mixing this. Give it one good mix. All right, once this is mixed, we're gonna leave it on high heat until it starts to boil and it's at a 300-degree temperature. So I'm gonna come on over to my Granny Smith apple and I'm gonna take that stem right off. I have here just a metal reusable straw and we are going to stab our apple right where we took the stem out, just about halfway. Woo, look, we got a seed out. And then I found these crafting sticks that we are gonna just put right into our apple, make sure it's secure in there. And then we're gonna go ahead and do that to 5 more apples so that we have a total of 6 apples. All right, this is ready. We're gonna go ahead and take it off the heat and put it right next to our apples. And then now I'm gonna bring in my silicone mold with the little roses, but it is time to dip our apples in our red candy, right? And then we're gonna pull this out and go directly into our rose mold, just like so. And we're gonna do that with all of our Granny Smith apples, just like so. Get them fully covered and then into our rose mold. And now we're gonna put these in the fridge to harden up. All right, you guys, they have been in the fridge for 15 minutes and it is time to see how these came out. This little rose is like a silicone thing. And look how beautiful! A little candy apple rose. And you can kind of just break off these little drips so that you can keep it nice and pretty. But look at that. All right, let's unveil the rest of them. Look how darling our little vase of candied apple roses came out. I think this one is probably my favorite out of all of them. They just came out so beautiful. Let's go ahead and grab our candy apple. All right, let's try one. I have my cutting board here. Ooh, did you hear that crunch? Oh my. All right, I'm so excited to try it. That was incredible.